Hi everyone, my name is Anna and welcome to my sewing channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to make this tweed skirt. I have a ready to sew pattern from extra small to extra large sizes. Each size has an individual file with seam allowance guidelines. Printing size available in A0, A4 and US letter size. This pattern you can download from my website annadetailor.com or by visiting my Etsy shop Anna the Tailor. For this project I will use 1 meter of tweed fabric. Also I will need lining, fusible interfacing, thread same color as fabric, 2 buttons and invisible zipper. I will be using this tweed fabric, which is perfect for this skirt style, but any other student fabric also will be perfect for this skirt. I'm using viscose lining, which I recommend to use best because it's a natural fiber with a soft touch to the skin. I also recommend to pre-press or wash all of the fabrics before cutting. And here are the details that I have. Front skirt detail, 2 back details, front interfacing, back interfacing, and pockets. I fused and overlock all of the edges to prevent fabric from fraying. Also, I've cut front skirt lining, 2 back skirt, and pockets lining. Let's start stitching. Pin dart notches in the back details and stitch. Repeat the same with lining. Pin center back seam till the zip notch and stitch both skirts and lining. Place front skirt detail on top of the back with face side inside. Pin side seams and stitch. Take the front interfacing and pin it to the front skirt lining and stitch. Take the back interfacing and pin it to the back skirt lining and then stitch. Place front skirt lining on top of the back skirt lining with face side inside. Pin side seams and stitch. Place pocket lining on top of the pockets, pin it at the top and stitch. Make an edge stitch to hold seam in place. Match lining with pocket, pin it all the way around, and then stitch, but leave a small opening on the side of the pocket. Turn over the pocket and hand stitch the opening with invisible stitch. Mark pockets placement how it's shown on the pattern. Pin pockets to the skirt front and stitch them with invisible stitch. Open the zip and pin it to the back of the skirt till the zip notch. Once pinned, stitch it with a zipper foot or one side foot. If the zipper is too long, cut the excess off. Take a small piece of lining, fold it in half and pin it to the raw edge. Then stitch. Fold side edges down and pin it to the skirt seam. And then stitch as shown. Pin lining to the skirt zipper, slightly letting out 0.5 cm at the interfacing, and then stitch using one side foot. Make a fold exactly on the zipper. Pin skirt waistline with lining, matching side seams and stitch. Carefully cut off corners to avoid thickness. Turn over the skirt, fold the waist seam allowance towards lining, and make an edge stitch to secure seam allowance in place. On the skirt hem, mark 4 cm. Fold it and pin or hand tack. Join lining hem with skirt, matching all the seam lines. Pin it and stitch, but leave a small opening to turn out the skirt later. Catch seam allowance by hand using invisible stitch. Turn out the skirt and hand catch the opening with invisible stitch. On the pocket, mark 2 cm from the top of the pocket and center and stitch the buttons. Make a final press, and here is the end result. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. If you were inspired to make this skirt, you can download a PDF ready to sew pattern from my website annathetailer.com or from my Etsy shop Anna the Tailor. I hope you enjoy watching this video and learned something from it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see more new projects. And I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye!